Today I'm going to share with you a potent, all-natural anti-parasitic cocktail that helps cleanse the body and is rich in minerals. Simple ingredients like pumpkin seeds, walnuts, ginger, and turmeric are combined in this recipe to generate a powerful bodily detox. Now let's get started. What you'll need is as follows. Pumpkin seeds, 100 grams packed with nutrients and anti-parasitic compounds. 100 grams of walnuts, a natural supplement with anti-parasitic qualities. 1 teaspoon of raw turmeric is known to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 1 teaspoon of minced fresh ginger is a potent detoxifier that aids in digestion. Half lemon juice offers a cool kick and supports liver detoxification. 1 tablespoon of honey for its immune-boosting qualities and subtle sweetness. 1 cup of water helps to combine all the ingredients into a smooth infusion. Let's now make the anti-parasitic drink. First, pulse 100 grams of walnuts and 100 grams of pumpkin seeds into a powder. To the powdered mixture, add 1 teaspoon each of raw turmeric and freshly chopped ginger. Give it a good stir. In a different glass, combine 1 cup of water with the juice from half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now incorporate the nuts and powdered seeds into the water mixture, making sure everything is well combined. On an empty stomach, take this cleansing infusion first thing in the morning. Keep going for a few weeks to make sure your body gets all the advantages. You can repeat this course 1 to 2 times a year for optimal effects and to keep your system clean and parasite-free. Walnuts and pumpkin seeds are full of natural chemicals that fight parasites. Strong antioxidants found in ginger and turmeric can help rid your body of pollutants. The addition of lemon and honey to the cocktail not only improves its flavor but also strengthens its cleansing and immune-boosting properties. A quick and easy technique to help keep your body parasite-free is to make this anti-parasitic cocktail. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turns out if you found it helpful. I hope you stay well and stay active. Remember to like and subscribe for additional natural remedies.